Hi everyone, I am back with another customization slash restoration process video, whatever you want to call it. So basically what I'm going to be restoring slash customizing is this Bratz doll from 2009, which I got her back in 2009. So as you can see, her hair is nylon and it's really poofy, but that's actually not the issue. What is the issue, and this is one problem I have with MGA dolls, as you see, look at that right there. She has a scalp split. Oh yeah, and it goes all the way down, all the way to the bottom. So I'm going to be removing her hair, and I thought I'd take you guys through it. This is actually the Nighty Night Chloe. I think she's the more budget one. So yeah, she's the one that came in the white dress. And there's really nothing wrong with her hair. I mean, her ends are not really that frizzy. All I'd have to do is detangle her hair. And probably flat iron it, but her part line is not salvageable and there's no gluing that together because there's way too much hair. So, and also, I'm going to take advantage of this while I can, but she also has a neck split right there. You can see that. There we go. She has a little split right there. So while the hole is in her head, I'm going to take advantage of that and glue it from the inside out. So I'm shrink her neck hole down with boiling water, and I'm going to glue that crack together from the outside right here, and then I'm going to go inside with the super glue and glue it from the inside too. So yeah, I'm going to take advantage of that while it's there. So that'd be kind of fun to take you guys through cutting her hair off and all that stuff. Her hair actually feels really soft, so I might save her hair and do something else with it. So I will come back when I have her hair in ponytails. Okay, so here we are with her hair in ponytails. So, get my scissors. And that was bound to happen. My phone has been trying to jump off of the thing and self-destruct, so I'm sorry about that. So anyhow, before my phone tries to commit suicide again, I've already tried to make this video once before and my phone keeps trying to commit suicide. Okay, so I don't want to do it. Her hair is so pretty actually, but just think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give her this hair, which this came from the wig shop, and they were calling this hair white, but you can clearly tell that there is some like vanilla color in there. So they were calling this hair color white, but now, oh yeah, especially when you look at it like that, see, yeah, that vanilla color. But now they're calling it super blonde. So this is by Expressions, and I've already straightened it out, but think she's going to have this hair, and then I'm going to streak her hair with this right here. So yeah, she's going to have like white hair, whitish hair, platinum hair with kind of a dirty-ish blonde, a dirty platinum, there we go. So yeah, here we go. This has been her hair for so long. Well, obviously, no turning back now. One ponytail down. See, look at that. She has vanilla hair color. Look at how pretty that is. That vanilla color. I don't want to do it, but it's already done. And there's no choice anyway, because she does have that major, you'll see how bad it is. It's really horrible. There's her other curly blonde ponytail. So now, cut her hair as short as possible. Her hair is so she's even got like these peachy blonde streaks in there, which is really pretty. I mean, this doll was kind of my fault. I mean, I used to have a problem, and I still kind of do, with, like, squeezing my doll heads. So, like, I would squeeze their faces. So, like, if their faces would slightly heat up a little bit and they get slightly squishy, I would squish them. I've always kind of had a problem with that. I don't know, I guess it's, like, stress relieving. I don't know. But, yeah. I think what happened whenever I cracked her scalp open was I pushed on her forehead. But still, it shouldn't be able to do that. They should be able to make dolls to where that won't happen. Because that is, to me, is considered a source of roughhousing. And dolls should be made to go through that sort of stuff. And that's one thing about the Bratz dolls and other dolls that I never really liked, is that their heads were always cracking open. But it's not just exclusively to the Bratz or even Moxie girls. I've had Barbies that happen too as well, so. So her base hair, like, in the middle, is actually not that thickly rooted. Whoops. Sorry, the dog was being very loud. This video is going to be somewhat of a disaster, but, you know, with dogs being loud, you know, getting into stuff, and then phones committing suicide. Yeah, you can see how thick her part line is exactly, and how that would be almost impossible to successfully, even if I were to glue that together, it would still pop right back open. That would slide right off the hair, so. Well, the hair cutting part is pretty much done. So I will come back when I have all her hair taken out. Okay, well, I finally got all the hair taken out, and good lord, her part line was rooted, so oh look, there's actually a piece of her scalp right there, that little piece right there. There's actually a piece of her scalp right there. Lovely. But yeah, this is yikers. Now you understand why I have to do this. So, and if you look inside there, oh, there's still another. It's weird, like some of her hair plugs have glue stuck to them. Yeah, if you look inside there, you can see where the neck split. Then you can see a really tiny one. So yeah. So basically, yeah, see, this is why they shouldn't root the part line so thick. That's one of the main reasons this happened, is because of the part line being rooted so thick. I've had Barbies that this happened to. So I will go ahead and show you a Bratz that I've rerouted. This is actually the first Bratz doll, and she is my first Bratz doll. She's the first Bratz doll I ever rerouted, as well as being my first. So this is Head Games Chloe from 2006, I believe. She had the exact same problem, except her scalp split all the way around her hairline. And then, of course, her original side part right there. So yeah, her part line split, her entire scalp came off. And not only that, she had all these splits in her neck, which I've repaired. So yes, I took advantage of her too while her scalp was off to glue it from the inside, and it's held up pretty nicely. But yeah, because I also had a problem with pulling my doll's heads off. And if you can see all the super glue, I actually super glued her onto her body. Yeah, big no-no. But yeah, because of that, this is what her neck currently looks like. So pieces of her neck basically broke into little shards. So you can see that huge crack, you can see this crack, that crack, and then pieces I couldn't glue back on, but I'll patch those up. But yeah, I wound up gluing her head to her body, and her hair was just so horrible. She had saran hair, but her saran hair had so many split ends, it was really bad. But I mean, here, look at this. I mean, the hair that she has now, just like, wow. And it goes all the way down. Her hair was originally to like right here. So yeah. I also didn't really care for this Bratz doll very much when I was still a kid, basically. I was a teenager. I got her when I was 19. So it was like right after my 19th birthday. So, but yeah, you can see they both have the same facial screening and the same eyes, except her eyes are a little more, her makeup is a little more intense. The only thing that's really different as far as color scheme is the lips. The lips are different, and her hair color was different in her outfit. But yeah. So I was like, oh, this one's the same as this one. And I didn't really care for her back then either, because I wasn't into Bratz all that much. I had several Bratz, but I wasn't as into them as I am now. So I didn't really take very good care of her as it was. So, but now I'm making up for that. I'm going to repair her, reroute her, and yeah. So I will definitely be back. I'll give you a better look at that Chloe I rerouted. I'll probably, like, after I'm done with this one. I also have another Bratz doll that I'm working on, actually. Let me go get her. So here's I think this is Wild Wild West Chloe. She's also from '09. She's another re-release sort of thing. She was re-released with a similar name, like Western or something like that. But yeah, this is currently all the hair I've done. She has a mini scalp split right there, this piece and that piece. I'm currently giving her that platinum hair, so she's gonna have all platinum hair. I might do some purple, like lavender highlights or something. And actually, while I'm at it, this is the Moxie Girl. I actually got her all glued together too. She had a scalp split all the way down. She had a split there and a split over here. So yeah, I don't have her original hair color that she had, so I figured, well, she's got pink on her outfit, might as well give her pink hair. So I have done her part line already, and that was a success. So yep, that's that. So anyhow, I hope you guys found this video interesting. I hope you liked this video. And yeah, so I will be sure to post another video after she's done. And so yeah, more videos to come, and remember to stay true to you. And thank you for watching.